Oh, she's after Candido.
Come on, let's go.
Pinky.
Hey, let's go get Candido. Come on, I see him. I see him. Come on. There he is. Go get him.
Well, don't scare Candido.
No, it's not Candido. Anyway.
Well, he ain't doing too much. Pinky, who is it? Who is it?
Pinky.
Oh, here she comes.
Oh.
The boss.
Oh, she's the boss.
Rima, who dat?
Oh.
Rima, who dat? They don't like the gardeners.
Oh, the Gartners. The Gartners.
Pinky
We have to call them Gartners.
Pinky is meditating
Yeah,
now.
try to get the Gartners.
No.
Oh, okay.
This is just for dogs.
Okay. Oh! What about you? Aren't you going to bark? Come on, let's go.
Uh-oh.
Let's go see Remo. Come on.
Uh-oh, she
Let's go
found
see Remo.
somebody.
Come on. Let's go see Remo. Come on. Let's go see Remo. Oh! Look at him. Come on. Give us a barky. Give us a barky. I thought you was the new watchdog. Oh!
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's Candido.
her hackles.
That's my, what's that guy? Johnny Depp. That's my Johnny Depp.
Paramore. Oh, Pinky went.
Oh,
He had one bark. I think he's gonna poop. I think he's gonna poop. He's walking funny. Pinky. And he's excited. When he's excited, you know what happens.
Yeah, sure. And he ate. So.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
He's going for a pit stop.
Oh. All right, get him pooping. So
No,
people know.
I'm getting him
So
drinking.
people know, yeah.
They're both in
So
for a
people-
pit stop.
Drink
I know.
together. Get it from this angle. See.
Yeah.
Get it from this angle. It's good.
Oh, Pinky's
my
done.
God.
He's ready to go.
Yeah, I better put some more water in. Ooh, they're low now. They're low.
No, she's thirsty.
How low can you get? Well, she's on phenobarbital. She's on phenobarbital.
Okay.
Makes you thirsty. Yeah, that's what it was.
He's catching his second wind.
Is he?
Well, it's very quiet now.
They're gonna come back. Oh, but they're gonna.
I think they're coming back, Remo.
Oh,
You better get ready.
Back in 1 minute. Remo.
Her ears are
Remo.
really.
Mm.
All right, Pinky's sort of stationary now.
Yeah. This is just for us anyway. No, just keep filming.
Yeah. I'll stop at 5 minutes.
Yeah. Keep filming because Candido's, he is the Mexican.
Oh, now I got
Johnny Depp.
Pinky in tripod position.
So handsome.
All right, well, you don't have to wax on that.
Whatever. He's got silence that are something. Email.
Remo, who dat?
That's right, do that.
Who dat? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, who dat? Who's a good watchdog? Remo, who's a good watchdog?
Wow, where'd you write this from? Did you write that?
No, I got it from somebody.
Oh, fuck me.
That's nice.
Yeah, but still, Steven.
What?
You could have written something like that.
Yeah, I didn't, but I didn't. But people may think I did. I should have said stolen from such and such.
Everybody's gonna think you wrote it. Oh my God, who'd you send it to?
Everybody, except your friends.
Oh my God, you know, you could have written it.
Okay, well, it's the thought that counts, not who wrote it. I sent it to Michael and Kathy and
Kathy who?
Sunshine. And
Would you have a bingo with her?
yeah, I always send stuff to her.
And the thing going with her, right?
Yeah, well, an email from
You, she answers.
She never answered.
So you have nothing going.
Nothing. I never said I did.
I never would send her one.
Oh, I got Pinky on camera. He's barking.
Oh, that's what we wanted. Is he looking up the sky? Is he looking up the sky?
Yeah.
Okay.
He was like a wolf. Pinky, who is it?
Get the gardener. Get the... Oh!
He didn't even notice she went
Get the
by him.
gardener. I know. Oh!
I don't think he can hear.
No, he can't. Oh, there he goes. He's barking at...
Good boy, Pinky.
He's barking at the tea
Who that, Pinky?
It's the tea cabinet.
Yeah. So let's see where he was looking at. An inanimate object. Pinky, who that?
Who you barking at?
He thinks we're yelling at him now. He doesn't like that.
No, he don't like it.
All right, one more good bark out of him, and then I'm going to stop. Oh, now she's pit stopping.
Pit stopping. Oh.
Remo, who that?
Oh, who that?
Who that?
I think it's a Mexican. I think it's a... Shh.
Don't say stuff
Okay.
on video like that.
I think it's a legal name.
Yeah, maybe.
He's
Pinky.
Latino. He's Latino.
Maybe he's Italian.
Don't matter to me. Yeah, he could be. He could be Italian. That's right.
Oh, let's see if I can get her breathing.
Of course, he don't talk like Joe Pesci. So.
No. Well, so he's not Brooklynese.
Oh.
She's huffing and puffing. Oh, I got her ears. Whoop!
Oh!
There she go.
There he
Go,
goes.
Pinky. He's
Go, Pinky. Go,
He's
Pinky.
afraid of the
Yeah,
camera.
he's afraid now.
Pinky.
Pinky.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
God.
Pinky. Oh, now look. He's staring.
I know.
Pinky, you're a good boy.
Pinky.
You're a good boy.
You know where you is.
Say goodbye, Pinky.
Pinky, say goodbye.
Bye.